Congratulations to Brampton resident Peter Bhatti, the Communication Achievement Award recipient, for his communication and leadership contributions. Peter is the founder and chairman of International Christian Voice, a Canadian non-profit organization established in 1999 to raise awareness about the persecution of Pakistan's religious minorities. Peter has been recognized with the Queen Elizabeth II Diamond Jubilee Award and the Sovereign's Medal for Volunteers for his work toward human rights and religious freedom. Peter will receive the Communication Achievement Award at the Be a Successful Leader workshop on May 19, 2022.
Visit successfulleader.org to learn more about Peter and the workshop with the Successful Leader Flipbook. See all the sessions and the skills you will develop at the Be a Successful Leader Interactive Hybrid Workshop.